Hey everyone! So today I have a new video for you. I have a bunch of blind boxes for you and some confirmed figures, and actually all the blind boxes that I have are all confirmed figures. So I didn't get the ones I wanted, so I went ahead and just bought them confirmed. So I wanted to show you the haul that I got. It even came with this little extra, which is an Uli Uli. So open it up. So we have the Rico Uli Uli, and if you look on the bottom, it even has the little hole that all the Finding Unicorn figures have, so that's pretty cool. Next we have Lulu the Piggy, and I'm super excited about this one. So this is Lulu the Piggy in a little bear outfit, and it's so soft and fluffy. It even comes with these two little sticks. So it goes on the little stand like this, and it's doing the little "I'm scaring you" pose, and it's so adorable. And here is the little sign, "Bear on board." Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So I have the Pino jelly, "How are you feeling?" And we did open one before, and we got the happiness one. And we also got anxiety. But if you saw that video, I did say that I wanted one specific one. We'll open it up. And we got sadness. If you look inside, it has little raindrops in its head. Here is the card. So it comes with a little umbrella, and it goes in like this. And it goes right through the middle. It comes with a little rain doll, like the rain go away doll. Another Pino jelly that I have is the Your Boy series. I actually never opened one of these before. And this is the lineup that you can get. There's the Working Boy, High-Handed, White Collar, Street, Programmer, Comic, Cute, Merit, Greedy, Doodle, Basketball, and Game Boy. The one that really caught my eye was the Game Boy, and then the Street Boy, and I like the Comic Boy as well. So those three would be my go-to. And I think the secrets were actually really cool too. One was like an astronaut, which was awesome. So let's open it up so you can see the one that I bought confirmed. And which one did I get? I got this one. Once you see the item, you'll know what I got. I got the Game Boy. One thing about these Pino jelly figures is that they're very heavy and nice and stable, but the items that they come with don't actually stick onto them. It looks so good like this though. I'll probably have to like put some silicone tape just to hold it together. And here is the card. And I love the colors, it's like Splatoon colors, the green and purple. Next we'll do this Sweet Bean Supermarket. And I did order a confirmed one before. We did get the canned coffee, washing liquid, peach biscuit stick, sandwich biscuit, frozen pizza, meat bun, fried chicken, chocolate, rain gear, crisp pea, lemon sparkling water, yakisoba bread, canned coffee, and secret and a super secret. But I didn't get the secrets, so you get to see which one I got. And the one I got is the rain gear. And it comes with this really cute umbrella. Okay, here is the raincoat. And here's the card. It does come with this stand, but I'm gonna just leave it alone for now because it looks too cute by itself. And I love the little ducky hoodie, and the umbrella is what makes this perfect. Oh, and it has little froggy slippers too. That's super adorable. Okay, I'm thinking of doing this big Nanci. Now, this Nanci is a really big figure. I actually didn't know it was gonna be this big. I think it's twice the size of a regular Nanci. I honestly got it because the design of this Nanci is beautiful. And here she is. So here's her card. It's so much bigger than a regular card, as you can see. And here is the Nanci. Look at her. I love this like trumpet flower thing. And she's sitting on a little chair with flowers all around, and it's so beautiful. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Although I was surprised at the size, the details make up for it, and it looks so good. Okay, another big figure box is this ice cream Duckoo. And actually the figure of the Duckoo is normal sized, it's just the box that's big. Here's the little Duckoo card. And underneath this black foam is Duckoo. And here is Ice Cream Duckoo holding his little ice cream. The ice cream fits in pretty good, but I'm kind of afraid of it being loose. So I feel like I might lose it in the process of moving things. So until I can figure out how to stick this in better, we'll probably keep him in the box. But look how cute he is. So this is my first ever Duckoo, and I thought this ice cream one would be the perfect first Duckoo ever. Oh my goodness. Look at Duckoo, is so cute. I love the cone design, and the ice cream. Food Duckoo are the best. I'm going to show you the blessing for fruit zzoTon that we got. And we opened a couple of these. We had the carefree and good luck, and we also got wealthy. But there was one that I kept asking for, so if you saw the other videos, you should know what I'm hoping for. And it's big and bulky because we got Peace. We got the Peace Apple zzoTon. So this is the one that I've been wanting since the series first came out. Here's a little card. I love how shiny and round this character is, and it's so heavy and sturdy. It's like a nice paperweight. But finally, my good luck pair finally has its apple friend, so I'm super happy that we got our apple. Now finally, we have one more. So it's the Nanci Secret Garden series, and we opened a couple of these, but we didn't get any of the ones that we truly wanted. But I saw this on sale, and I decided to get it. Sorry, I had to open it just in case because I didn't want it to be damaged. But the one we got is the Rose Queen. Look how beautiful she is. So she is the super hidden, and there's a reason for that. She has so much more detail, and she's beautiful. She still reminds me of Princess Peach, but look at all that detail on her. Oh, she looks so good. And she has so many pieces that are pretty fragile, so I'm afraid that she might break. So we'll have to probably put her in the display case. So this is everything that we got. I really like all the figures that we have. Starting with my Lulu the Piggy Bear. I love my Rose Queen, my Duckoo, all of it. Because I bought this all confirmed, knowing what I get, I'm so content with what I have. I just have to go ahead and take pictures of all of them and show them off, but I think I need to get a really nice display so I can show them off and show off their characteristics one by one. But I hope you all enjoy this video, and thank you all for watching.